Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. If you're new here, my name is Hatie. So yeah, and if you're returning, thank you for the support. Yes guys, we are growing and thank you. We are now at 150 subscribers guys. Yes, keep on subscribing guys, keep on recommending people to come and subscribe to my channel guys. We are growing and I see you are watching and enjoying my content guys. In today's vlog, oh my god guys, I can't wait to do this. You know what, I've always wanted to eat West African food guys, the Nigerian food. For example, the egusi soup, the jollof rice, fried plantain guys. And so I was like, in Kampala I don't think we have a West African restaurant. Maybe it's there, but I don't know. But when I was scrolling into my Instagram, I found out this West African restaurant. It's called Bite of Benin restaurant guys. It's found on Chadondo Road, of which I don't know there. I'm going to use my map to reach there guys. I can't wait to have this food. I can't wait to see their menu. I can't wait to taste their food. Oh my god guys, I've always wanted to taste West African food. I don't know which type of food I'm going to eat from there, and I don't know which type of food I'm going to order, but when we reach there we shall see guys. And I want to review with you the kind of food they have and the place at large. We are going to see what they have, what they do, how the place is it comfortable for kids. Yeah, we are going to see everything. This is my outfit of the day guys, because the weather is not that sunny. The weather is cloudy and yeah, there's no sunshine outside. So today I decided to wear this denim jacket, as you can see, and I decided to pair it with this matching denim set of trousers, as you can see guys. I also decided to pair it with this cream top. On camera it looks white guys, but it's cream in color. So enough of rambling guys, I think I've talked a lot guys. Let us go and see the restaurant. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this food. Bye guys, see you at the restaurant. Let's go. You guys, look at the weather. It's going to rain. Look at the clouds, and the traffic is crazy on my side. Oh my god, I don't know what time I'm going to reach, but it's going to rain.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I'd hit replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time. Trying to breathe it all in. Trying to breathe it all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are
Welcome to
you?
the bite.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
This is your first time?
Yeah, this is my first. Actually, I wanted to try West African food.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so how did you discover us?
On internet, on actually you
Instagram?
posted on Instagram. Then I was like, oh my god, I didn't know that we had a West African restaurant in Kampala. I didn't know.
Since June last year.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I didn't know. Oh my god. Then I was like, I have to try it. I have to go for lunch.
Thank you.
Yeah, actually, I'm a vlogger. I'm a YouTuber. So
Excellent.
yeah. So
Okay.
I want to vlog.
Okay.
Trying to breathe it all in, all in.
Hi guys, I've reached the place, and as you can see, yes, I know right now you've seen the menu. What they have everything West African food. I found one of my new hangouts guys. This place is so beautiful. I'm going to take you guys around to check out this place, and I've already taken my order. They've explained to me what I'm going to eat. I want to try out the egusi soup, but they've told me like you can make any choices of meat you want. You can have it with goat's meat, you can have it with fresh fish or dry fish, but for my case I want to try it with dry fish. And I've also ordered how is it called, pounded yam or something like that. Oh my god guys, I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait to enjoy this food, and you are going to have the meal with me guys. So yeah, I'm going to have my egusi with fufu. They've told me fufu is a mixture of plantain, and I don't know how it's done. I've forgotten how he has explained to me, but I'm going to have my egusi with fufu. And another thing, I've also ordered for jollof rice. I want to try out their jollof rice. And yeah, after bringing the food, I'll show you guys the place, how the place looks like and everything. Guys, right now it's currently raining. I don't know if you can see guys, but let me get up. They have a nice beautiful place where you can hold parties, where you can have parties, birthdays, kwanjula. As you can see, this is so nice. This is the garden. As you can see, they have also some grass thatched huts. I don't know how they're called, but you can also take a seat there to enjoy your meal. And let me zoom it for you guys. Let me zoom in. They are like huts. You can see inside they have chairs, tables. You can also sit in there, and they also have a kids play area. As you can see, you can come with family, with kids, and they enjoy their day. They are playing, and I'll take you guys to the bar area later. So yeah, my food has arrived. This is the egusi soup. This is the fufu which I ordered, and I also ordered jollof rice, and also this is chili. My god guys, this is a big portion. The food is too much guys. I think I'm going to even take away. I'm going to make a takeaway after this, because this is a lot of food. I didn't know if you are 2 people you can have this food. And of course I ordered some juice there. As you can see guys, that is pineapple juice. Wow guys, I can't wait to dig in because I'm so hungry. Let us eat our food. Let me set up the camera for you guys to see me eating this nice food. I'm eating egusi. As you can see, I've already put my food on the plate with fufu. Yeah, so I can't wait to dig in. I have a lot remaining here. This is too much. I'm even going to do takeaway guys. I have also jollof rice. I can't wait to eat. I'm going to use even my hands, because I don't think that they use spoons to eat this kind of food. I think they use hands. So let me dig in. Let me eat as you swallow. What? Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to taste this food. The first taste is mine guys. Guys, this food is spicy and nice. I can't wait to eat. This is so good guys. This is so nice. This is so yummy. And you know, fun fact guys, when you break this fufu, you don't chew. You just put it in your mouth and you just swallow. There's no need of chewing this food because it's so soft. It's like baby food and nice. And another thing guys, if you see me looking around, I'm in a restaurant, and you know restaurants, people are always there, so people are looking at me and they are thinking, what is this woman doing? But I'm enjoying my food. I wish I came with someone, but I'm alone in the restaurant. I'm alone on a table, enjoying this whole meal. This whole meal guys. This is a lot of food. guys, the rice. So yeah, so let me eat as you swallow. This is too much food. Wait. This is a mukbang, but people are looking at me. But I'm trying to be not, I'm trying to do my own stuff. Cause so yeah, people are looking at me eating food and recording, but it's okay. Let's eat. This is so nice. Sorry guys, because I'm not talking, I'm enjoying my food. This is so nice. This is the aftermath. I'm so full. The food was good. Egusi soup was good. As you can see, this is the remaining one. The fufu was so nice. My plate is empty and I'm so full. The rice was also nice. So yeah, so you guys, let me take you around this place to see. You guys, fun fact, let me tell you something. These people, like as in the manager of this place, have decided to give me some fried plantain to test some of their fried plantain. As you can see, it's here, and I've already had a bite on this one. So guys, this is the best fried plantain. This is so nice, so nice. Crunchy on the outside and soft inside. So guys, so good. Can you imagine? They've given me free dessert. I can call this a dessert. They've given me free dessert to taste. Oh my god, this is so good. Let me enjoy my plantain, and then after I'll show you around the place. If you want to come, you can come around. So this is another sitting area, guys, as you can see, but this sitting area is next to the bar. So as you can see, I like the grass thatched roof. It's so nice and so beautiful. And this is the bar right on the left hand side. This is the bar. You can come and sit, have some drink. You can see they have everything inside. They have every drink, alcoholic or non-alcoholic. And on top of the bar, they have the name of the restaurant as Bite of Benin, West African Dining. Then let me take you guys to another sitting area whereby you can come and sit with people, with friends, have some drinks, have some cocktails, jazz around, make stories, and it's quite big enough for a couple of people, for a group of people. You can come with friends and sit and have your drinks. So, and another area is this side of the where you can hold parties. You can hold parties with friends. As you can see, how cute is that table and chair. Here you can host parties, birthday parties, kwanjula. Come with kids. Kids can play around. Come with friends. Host them. Have birthday parties. So yeah. And up there, guys, that's the main restaurant. And I'll have to take you guys there, of course. So yeah, as you can see, let's go. I take you there also so that you have a look at the restaurant. So that was my seat where I sat. Of course, there's my bag and the takeaway bag also. That's where I sat. And guys, these people observe social distancing. The chairs are separated, like they're not close together. There's social distancing. And the place is so clean, guys. You can't believe the floor is so clean. And that is the reception. They have also kids chairs. If at all you have babies, they can sit on the chairs. Yeah, that is all, guys. Yes, guys, this is me right now in the car, finished eating my food, which was good, tasty and yummy. So yeah, allow me end this vlog here, and thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe so that you become one of the family, guys. So yes, guys, I 100% about this restaurant. I 100% recommend. It's found on Chadondo Road. I've forgotten the plot. It is on plot 20 Chadondo Road, Nakasero. So if you want to try out this restaurant, please don't hesitate. It's called Bite of Benin Restaurant. See you guys in my next vlog. Let me go back at home and find my kids. So yeah, let me end this vlog here. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.